Students, now we are done with the crepe Suzette. We are moving on to the next dish. The next dish is banana or rum. Basically, this banana or rum is a dish where it has been originated basically in France. But you see the ingredients, it is made of brown sugar, it's made of pineapple juice, it is made of rum. All you talk about is all an African continent based ingredients. So this has been myth. It's a myth. Basically, it says the left out ingredients which was there in the cruise lines. From that they started making this dish. But basically, this is a French originated dish. But French people, when they started traveling in the cruise lines, they founded this dish. Okay, so I'm going to do a carving of a banana. So banana, again I need to repeat it. We cannot use our bare hands in front of the guest to carve a banana. So what you have to do is you have to use a fork and a knife. So hold your fork like this. It has to be basically slitted into half. The peel has to be taken out. So that's the concept. So a slight carving is needed here. A slight carving in the front is needed here. Now you have to slit it into half like this. And then a slit here as well in the end. Now what you have to do is you have to hold it in the center and then just peel it off like this. Now pick it up, place it in the plate. The similar thing is applicable here as well. You'll have to place it like this. Now the banana is ready. So you'll have to make a sauce out of it. So for making a sauce, ensure you keep a pan ready and then you have to make a sauce. So last time I started off with the sugar. So this time I'm going to start off with the butter. Okay. I'm sorry. So ensure you melt your butter. So along with the butter, you will have to add demerara sugar. You can see the butter gets melt first. But add demerara sugar. Now again the same thing what we have discussed in the earlier recipe, but this sugar and the butter again should reach the caramel stage. Now to this, for making a sauce, see demerara sugar normally goes with the pineapple juice. When you use a pineapple juice, normally the alcohol which goes is from an African continent. The most famous is rum. Okay, a dark rum. So this is how it goes. Earlier dish we have discussed orange juice. We're talking about a crepe Suzette. Orange juice goes very well with fruit-based alcohol, that is brandy. Now here when we discuss, demerara sugar goes very well with pineapple juice, and pineapple juice will be a very good match with your dark rum. So that is how the ingredients are selected while making a dish. The selection of ingredients is very important. So you can see it started getting its color, caramel color. It's reaching its temperature. It'll take few more seconds. So now by then we'll keep the juice ready. We have a pineapple juice here. So once it's ready, we'll put a pineapple juice. We'll add a pineapple juice. So if you feel the sauce is not getting thickened, so what are the possibilities of the sauce is not getting thickened? Why the sauce will not get thickened?
More amount of water.
Yes, more amount of liquid if it is present, then you cannot thicken it. So what will you do as a chef? But now you can add corn flour. Very good. But can we add corn flour in front of the guest? So what will happen if you add corn flour in front of the guest? The guest will feel. The guest will feel. Yes. He will normally pay more than at least 2 to 3 times what you get it in a fine dining restaurant. Okay, if you go to a multi-cuisine restaurant, the cost of the banana rum will be, or crepe Suzette what we have prepared, will be around 800 rupees. But if you go to the flambe dish restaurant or reserve service restaurant, where the same dish will be charged 2000 rupees. So when the guest pays so much, the dish should be of really a good consistency, and the sauce you cannot manipulate in front of the guest. Okay, yeah, the sauce is getting good thickened. Now to this you have to add nutmeg, little bit of nutmeg powder and little bit of cinnamon powder. Okay, now we can keep cooking this. After adding the banana also we can cook it so that the sauce get thickened some more. Now you can take the banana, you can add the banana to this. Add 2 pieces of banana, start cooking it. So keep turning the bananas so that the banana is also completely cooked. You cannot cook it very soft, it should be done properly. So while selecting a banana is very important. Select a ripened banana, not a completely ripened. Partially ripened banana you have to pick it up. You can see the sauce is completely done. So what we can do is we can add dark rum to it. I feel it is completely hot, the sauce is completely hot. Something is wrong. You can see a blue color flame. If a blue color flame is there for a long time, that means your sauce is good, your alcohol is also good. So it is always better to go for cognac. Cognac is for the brandy, and for Demerara or Jamaican rum, you can use it for flambeing. That is really a better one. So now when the flame is on, students, now what you have to do is you have to transfer it. Let us see whether the blue color flame is on. No, it's lost its flambe. Good. So this sauce is perfectly fine. Your banana or rum is ready. Okay, I feel the sauce can be little more thicker. Thank you, students. I request the students to come and do the practice. Thank you.